Hi, this is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop, and in this video I want to show you how to use the free software called Loom. So Loom lets you make quick videos and send them to people. And I don't really think they are doing a great job of how it works, but this is what I am going to show you. So the way it works is you can get a free account and then you can easily make videos to share with each other, like to share with me and my team in the Website Creation Workshop, or to share with other techs. Like for example, one of my students, Leah, she decided to make a little 2-minute video, and they're under 5 minutes, to explain to a tech company where she needed help. And I've also done it in here. I have a little video I made for one of my students. It's only 3 minutes long because often a video does a better job explaining what you're trying to communicate with another person than writing. So I'm going to just show you, I'm going to walk you through how to get an account. So you go to loom.com and you click on Get Loom for free. And then I always like to sign up with email versus signing up with Google. You could click this and connect it to your Google account if you have one, but I like to keep things separate. So I'll put my name in. So I've typed my name in and I'm going to click on Create Free Account. And then it's going to ask for my first name, last name, and then here you just make up a password. And then I make sure I save it somewhere else. And I'll click Continue. And then it wants me to verify my email. Okay, so now I've waited and I got the email that says please verify your email, so I'll click on Verify Your Email. And now it's asking me how I'm planning on using Loom. I don't think this really matters. I think it's for their information. So I'm just going to say for work. What type of work do you do? Again, this is just for their own marketing information. So I'll just put operations. You know what? I'm going to change this to for personal projects. So again, this doesn't matter. So for work, now they're asking you questions. For education, if you're a teacher and you want to send this to your students. For personal projects, I don't really think this matters. And then there's fewer things to click, and you can probably change this in the future. I'll just put for work and other, but in any case, I don't think this really matters. So I'll actually click for personal projects. Now it's giving you the choice of how you want to record your videos. So you could install a Chrome extension, and if you use the Chrome browser, it makes it really easy. Or you could download the app to your computer. That's if you use a browser other than Chrome. Or you can do both. So if you use Chrome, I would click on Install. If you don't use Chrome, I'd click Download App. I'd do both of those, and you can always come back later and do it. So I'll click on Download App. I've already done this before, but I'll walk you through it again. And it says I already have it, so I'm going to say no, but you would go ahead and download it to your computer. So this is software that then lives on your computer. And if you use the Chrome browser, let me bring up Chrome. So in the Chrome browser, Manage Extensions, here I have Loom in my Chrome browser. And I can pin this up here. That'll make it a lot easier for me. So this is the little logo for Loom. Alright, I verified my email, so I want to go ahead and sign in. And I'm going to do this on Chrome. So I'm going to put my email address in and then my password that I saved. Click Login. and I'll let Chrome save that. All right, so here's a checklist. If I go to my library, I don't have anything in my library, so I'm going to record a Loom video. And because I've added the Chrome extension, it looks like this. With the desktop, it looks a little bit different. So I'm going to have my camera off, and I'm going to click on Start Recording. So let me come over here. So I'll click Start Recording. Now, you can go to the place you want to go. Instead of start recording from in my Loom account, I've got another tab up, and I'll click on this Start Recording so I can start recording from here. And I have two monitors, so it's asking me which one I want to use. And share system audios if you've got other music playing on your computer, if that's important to you. You can experiment with that. So I'm going to click on entire screen, and I'll click share. So now I am recording a Loom video. I can see down here this little recording tab. I can also stop sharing if I want to stop sharing. So again, I'm just going to click around, and I might be using this to explain something to somebody. So I'll say OK to the cookies. So this is my Loom video, talking to whomever I need to talk to, clicking around as I click around, and then when I'm done, I'm going to click the Finish Recording down here at the bottom. And now I have this little video, and I'll close down this checklist so I can click play. So now I am recording a Loom video. I can see down here this little and it gives you the option to watch on mobile. So now here's the key. Once you make a video, you can click copy link so that you can give this to anybody. So I can copy this link, put it in here. Let me show you how. I'll go to my Facebook group. Okay, so I'm going into my Facebook group, and let's say I'm going to paste that in. So I'm just going to write, here is a short video to explain something. So you can send this in an email, you can post it in a Facebook group, you can, whatever tech you're talking to. So it is, and I'll just click post. So now instead of typing something up with Loom, you have a little video. So this is in a Facebook group that then the person you're communicating with can just watch that Loom video. So that is it. That is how you use Loom. And let me come back over here. I've got one more thing I want to show you. Go to my library. So I have one video in here. I can click on it. If you want to delete it, if you're done with it, or whomever you've been communicating with, you don't need it anymore, you can click on delete, because they allow you, for the free account, I think only 25 videos. And the videos can be up to 5 minutes long. So with using Loom, it's a free, fast, and easy way to communicate with others. This way you can use your voice and show on the screen what it is that you are trying to communicate with them, and it's easier for everybody to understand what's going on. So go ahead and get a free Loom account today. This is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop.